Hi, my name's Helen Marks and I'm the Senior Lecturer and Course Leader on the Extended BA Honours degree at Arts University Plymouth. The Extended BA at Arts University Plymouth is a transformative 4-year degree where we support you in shaping your creative identity. You'll explore a range of art, design and media skills during an exploratory initial Extended BA year, helping you to specialise for the next 3 years of your undergraduate course. We'll help you to develop your unique voice while studying alongside artists who share your passion for creativity. There are 4 units in the Extended BA year and you'll start with fundamentals, identifying your strengths, then thinking through making, which will broaden your visual skills, and then developing specialist practice, which covers integrating research into your chosen field. This Extended BA year will end with a specialist project showcasing the skills you've developed for your chosen discipline. Once the Extended BA year has been successfully completed, you'll go seamlessly into the first year of your chosen specialist degree. From exploring different materials and methods to learning how to include research in your work, our Extended BA prepares you for a range of creative futures. Graduates thrive across commercial photography, illustration, fine art and more, proven by our alumni's successful careers in the industry. A large proportion of our Extended BA students go on to gain 2-1s and first-class degrees, so are well placed to secure jobs within the industry. You'll have access to all of our state-of-the-art facilities across the university, from glassblowing, ceramics, 3D printing and laser cutting facilities to photography and animation studios. Our collaborative approach to learning means that you can take part in workshops in any discipline, allowing you to explore everything the university has to offer. Plymouth is an artistically vibrant city. It's a haven for aspiring creatives. The city is a progressive and culturally rich community that nurtures personal and professional growth in a safe and affordable environment. With a dynamic cultural scene, including museums, galleries, shopping and indie cafes, as well as stunning natural landscapes, Plymouth seamlessly combines urban living with outdoor adventures. From easy and fast connections to major cities such as Bristol and London to tranquil seaside scenery, it's all within walking distance of Arts University Plymouth. Join us at Arts University Plymouth and transform your passion for life into a thriving career. Unleash your creative potential, dive into limitless possibilities and become part of a vibrant community shaping the future of contemporary art. To find out more about our Extended BA, follow the link in the description and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.